Your USB hub could be a ticking time bomb for your devices. Imagine this: your laptop suddenly freezes or your phone refuses to charge, and you have no idea why. The culprit: an overloaded, outdated USB hub that's silently sabotaging your tech. Power surges can strike without warning, frying your gadgets in seconds. Most of us plug in and forget, but that hub might be a disaster zone, sending mixed signals and causing chaos when you need your devices the most. Picture this: you're in the middle of an important video call, and your webcam drops out. Frustrating, right? Before blaming your internet connection, consider the hubit might be overwhelmed and unable to keep up with that demand. Take Jane's story as a warning. She thought her old USB hub was harmless until it led to her laptop's charging failure. One day, she plugged in her phone and it never charged again. This isn't just about convenience, it's about protecting your investments. Are you really willing to risk your valuable gadgets for a cheap hub? Start by checking your connections for signs of wear or overheating. By checking your connections, say five or Think of it as a health check for your tech. Investing in a quality USB hub is just a smart choice. It's essential for the longevity of your devices. Don't wait for a tech crisis to take action. Your devices deserve better, and ignoring those USB hub warning signs could cost you dearly. Ever plugged in your USB hub and felt a sudden jolt? You're definitely not alone. Many people overlook the potential dangers of their tech gadgets, and this oversight could cost you more than just a device. Let's talk about something we all use regularly: the USB hub. It seems harmless, right? However, there's a hidden issue that often goes unnoticed until it's too late: power surges. These can strike without warning and cause serious damage to your beloved gadgets. Imagine this: you're working late, connected to your trusty USB hub, when suddenly everything goes dark. Your computer crashes, your files disappear, and your heart races. What just happened? A power surge has turned your tech life into a nightmare. Power surges can occur for various reasons: lightning strikes, faulty wiring, or even surges from your own appliances. It's like a silent predator, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. But here's the kicker: your USB hub could be either your first line of defense or the first casualty. Now, picture this scenario: you're charging your smartphone, tablet, and external hard drive all at once. It feels convenient, right? But what if your hub is designed to handle that much traffic? Overloading it could lead to overheating, and any day now, that hub could fail, taking your devices down with it. Let's dig a little deeper. Think about those cheap, no-name USB hubs you might have snagged on sale. It's tempting to save a few bucks, but that's where the real danger lies. Many of these hubs lack essential protective features, inviting disaster into your tech setup without you even realizing it. Every time you plug something in, you're taking a risk. What if your precious data vanished in an instant? It's a chilling thought. But what if there's a way to protect yourself from these hidden dangers? Start by evaluating your equipment. Are you using quality hubs? Do they have surge protection? If not, it's time to rethink your setup. Investing a little more in a reliable hub can save you a lot of headaches down the road. In the end, remember that technology is part of your life, and so is the risk that comes with it. You might not notice the warning signs until it's too late. So why not take a moment to ensure your setup is safe? Staying ahead of the hidden dangers of power surges means keeping your gadgets and your peace of mind intact. Take a proactive step today. Your tech deserves it. Have you ever plugged in a gadget only to see it flicker and die? It's incredibly frustrating, right? But what if the real issue is your device? It could be something sneaky lurking in your OS pub. Picture this: you're at your desk juggling multiple devices, your phone, tablet, and laptop are all connected and buzzing with activity. But beneath that busy surface, a silent threat is brewing. Power surges are like hidden landmines, ready to go off when you least expect them. Many people view a USPub as just a simple extension, but here's the surprising truth: it can lead to disaster if you don't choose wisely. Those sleek, shiny hubs might be hiding serious flaws. Are you really safe? Now, imagine you've just bought the latest gadget you've been eyeing for months. You plug it into an inexpensive hub, feeling that rush of excitement. But what you don't realize is that surge of electricity traveling through that hub could be damaging your valuable device. You might think, it's just a power surge, it can't be that bad. But a single surge could fry the internal components, leaving you with an expensive paperweight. Suddenly, that cheap hub don't seem so appealing anymore, does it? Let's dig deeper. Many people aren't aware that cheaper hubs often lack proper surge protection. It's like putting your most prized possessions in a flimsy box and expecting them to stay safe. You are inviting trouble without even knowing it. Think about your daily routine. Think about your daily routine. So you reach for your laptop, connect it to that questionable hub, and expect everything to run smoothly. But what happens if, during a lightning storm or a simple power fluctuation, that hub allows a surge to slip through? your device could be toast in an instant. Now, let's break it down.